All right, guys. I'm underneath my 21 Sorento. I just finished installing the hitch. It was pretty simple. The hardest part is probably getting the supports, the rubber supports off the exhaust. Just spray some WD-40 and then just work your way back. Start from the outside. You're gonna have to from the back part, and slide it towards you on this side, and then you're gonna go to that support and take that one out, and then the one over here you're gonna have to take that one out just so it drops enough so you can get the that bolt over there. And then it's this one over here, 3 screws, three bolts. You can only see 2 here. It's one on the inside over there. And then the harness, your car should be pre-wired. I couldn't find it at first, but I looked online, and it turns out that it's you got to take this plastic cover off, and it's going to be behind this panel right here. I already unplugged it, but it's like plugged in behind there. So I ran my wire up, and here's the wiring adapter. So you just plug it into that. But yeah, I thought in the beginning I thought it was one of these plugs, but it's not. It's like I said, it's over here. You gotta drop this, and you'll get to it. And that's it. Pretty quick. Probably took me about 40 minutes to do the whole thing, and I didn't have to jack up the car or anything. All right, guys.